I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Okay, so this is our FN2 project that we've had in the workshop. Lots to do on it. As you can see, we've got a Rotarex supercharger kit to fit to it. These are the photographs of bits of the build. As you can see, bits on the floor as we work out everything and where we've got itemised lists of things. It was quite a bit of work getting it on, but it's a bit like Big Boys Lego really. Makes big results on the dyno. We were really happy with it, so I hope you've enjoyed these photographs, and subscribe and like and all that sort of stuff. And hopefully if you've got a supercharger and you want that bolted on your FN2, give us a shout. We'll get it on the dyno, get it all built up, get it mapped. Yeah, what a car this is. Absolutely lovely. You can follow this guy on Instagram, and I shall post hello Jason, shalom, and I shall post a link to his Instagram and you can follow it. Thanks very much guys. As I say, like and subscribe, and here's some videos of it on the dyno. So the Supercharged FN2, this is where we finished today, and we are at 342 brake horsepower, which is epic. I bet that goes like a scolded cat.